know that I saw a bear in the rearview mirror of my Impala. My Impala that is now sitting on the riverbed. Well, this captain didn't go down with the ship, because this captain's going after that pinche bear.
They're making it too easy. Who leaves the door open? Well, let's see who's home. Don't tell me that's Ernesto you just threw in the trunk.
No, Puerquita. Ernesto's not that big. You didn't hear me struggling?
Yeah.
That was that bear that rammed Alberto off the cliff.
Oh, shit.
I think he was about to hit Ernesto after.
I told you it's war.
I believe you, I know, Puerquita. We should come back later. We gotta dump this body. Why is there a plátano on you, Ernesto?
For protection.
Were you part of the reason why I just ended up in the river?
You ended up in the river? No, I just have this because when I got out here, the door was wide open.
Did Big Pajaro put a hit on me?
No, fool. Why? What happened?
There was a bear in a truck, and it ran me over the cliff, and now my Impala is a fish, a dead fish.
No, the Impala.
Simon.
Oh, well, I mean, I'm glad you're alive, but dang, no, bro. You said a bear?
A big brown bear.
We gotta let the homies know. What is that's the fool that got?
No.
They got the two homies, fool. They got Memo and Grave.
You think a bear did it?
Yeah, bro.
You know what? Now that I remember, Osito had a hitman cousin, a big bear that was known as a ruthless sicario that went by the name also.
We gotta go after him, fool!
Alberto just informed me that the sicario known as also tried to kill him. He rammed him off of the cliff near his hideout, out in the boonies. He lost his Impala to the river. He's pretty pissed off about that. But he also says that he thinks that's who took out Grave and Memo.
I haven't heard about Osito's cousin, also, in a long time. And every time I hear about him, it's something chaotic.
I heard he's expensive because he has a 100% success rate.
He is a professional, and he's also known to keep his missions quiet. So let's hope he didn't tell anyone in his organization that he's beefing with Barrio SESAMO. Because if we take him out, not only are we going to have problems with the familia Aguilar, but we're also going to be in war with the Labyrinth Mafia. So let's take him out before word gets out. I want all Barrio SESAMO to hunt down Oso and to locate and eliminate Aguilar. I'm done with this guerra.
Órale, jefe. Perdón, but with all due respect, I know you were holding back and I know why. But sometimes it's better to cut off the infection before it spreads. And this is one of those cases. So I also respect your order. Luz verde on Aguila.
I pray that God forgives me and gives me another chance after this war. I know God understands that I have a responsibility, and I'm at fault for why this has become such a mess. I know that once we get out of this war, I will dedicate my life to you. Just please let my soldiers live through this guerra so they can also have a chance to find your light during these dark times. Amen. Isaiah chapter 43, verse 2. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and through the rivers, they shall not overwhelm you. When you walk through fire, you shall not be burned, and the flame shall not consume you.